A new drug hitting the streets has local officials concerned. The drug is known as 25I or N-BOMe. The drug gives users similar hallucinogenic experiences as that of LSD, but with great health risks. To learn more, we spoke with Attleboro Detective Sergeant Arthur Brillion.
My name is Arthur Brillion. I'm a Detective Sergeant with the Attleboro Police Department. I also act in the capacity of the Public Information Officer. Well, we're learning more recent of a new synthetic drug that is hitting the streets, and it's of particular danger to the youth because the word of this drug is getting spread via the internet, text messaging and such. It's called 25I or N-BOMe is what they're calling it on the street, and it's an LSD type narcotic, and it is either diluted with water or some other liquid, and then it is poured onto a paper, similar to the way LSD has been packaged in the past. And there have been situations where they're decorated, these papers are decorated with a cartoon character and such to make them more appealing. Unfortunately, they stay one step ahead of us. The narcotic itself, I believe it's N-BOMe, is a classified Schedule I, I believe, narcotic. However, this derivative, the 25I, is not controlled, and it is purchased through the internet, and I believe it comes from China or Japan, and it is then put onto this blotter paper and sold and marketed to youth. I think it's very dangerous to our youth, similar to the bath salts that I've spoken to you about in the past. I'm being told that youths that have tried it one time have had serious adverse effects. It's my understanding that a teenager in a town not too far from here recently died, possibly as a result from using this N-BOMe. So I take it as a serious matter facing our youth today. Similar, as I said, with the bath salts is someone can use it 15 times and have no adverse effects. Another youth could use it one time and it can have devastating effects. I would recommend parents be observant as to their children's comings and goings, who they're hanging with, changes in mood that are unexplained. Maybe look and see what it is that they have in their pockets or their pocketbook, to see if they're carrying this blotter paper. Or so certainly would recommend being as observant as possible. They certainly could go to the DEA, Drug Enforcement Administration website for advice. We at the police department, we try to stay abreast of the changes. The chief is a strong advocate of education, a strong advocate of ongoing training, which the officers certainly take advantage of. And we hope to keep up with the changes in these narcotics. And as I stated earlier, for every time we catch up, they just take one step away from us. It's my understanding that there is current legislation within Massachusetts to address this issue, and so hopefully we will be able to attack it in months to come.